Hi again. In this video, I will walk you through how to create an XRPL account inside your HSuite wallet. If you haven't set up your wallet yet, please watch the video on getting started first. First, go to your menu bar and select Assets and Portfolio. This opens your portfolio and lists your accounts. Under Accounts, click on View All. In the All Accounts page, there is a button to add account. Select XRPL Ledger, select Mainnet or Testnet, and select Derive New Account. Give your account a label so you know which one it is. And continue. Congratulations, your XRPL account is now ready. Back in the All Accounts tab, you will see your XRPL account. If it is a Testnet account, you can select it and click on Get Testnet Funds. This will open the XRPL Faucet. Go back to your account and copy your account ID and paste it. Now your XRPL account is funded. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.